Hello, and happy early GIS Day to our newest community foresters. Sadly, this GIS Day has to be spent social distancing, but our web-based app MyTree Louisiana can safely be used by individuals or by responsible groups such as yourselves. MyTree Louisiana encourages you to map and measure trees so you can find out how trees are helping you and your communities, such as cleaning the air or reducing flooding. After this video, please go to mytreelouisiana.org and find out how to use this app in the Show Me How tab. To participate in this GIS Day activity and the MyTree competition, your teacher will make a single account for the class that you can all use simultaneously. We will be deciding the winners of the competition by these class-wide accounts. When entering data such as the species or even placing the location of the tree, it can be convenient to use a tablet computer, but you can also take down the information using a notebook and later enter all info in a desktop or laptop. We begin the competition at 7 a.m. on Monday, November 16th, and 2 sets of class recognitions will be awarded after this completion at 3 p.m. Wednesday, November 18th. The first goes to the class that maps the tree with the most gallons of stormwater intercepted, which usually corresponds with the largest tree. Think about how a live oak species that can get especially large and be especially good at managing stormwater and flooding. You can compare one tree's stormwater benefits to another's using the Eco Benefits tab. The second group of recognitions will go to the class who maps the most number of individual species or species diversity. As an example, if one class maps 10 trees but only 2 individual species such as a crepe myrtle and spruce pine, they would be bested by a class that only mapped 4 trees with 4 unique species. While mapping, avoid walking under unsafe trees or into the street. Please look out for holes you may step into, ant piles, stinging insects, thorns, and much more to make your experience as fun and safe as possible. Always be safe, and I hope you enjoy the many benefits of GIS technologies this week. Happy mapping.